guys, my name is Akash, and this is my project called Bookverse, a modern interactive book platform built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And we are using Firebase as a database. So, Bookverse is designed for book enthusiasts to suggest books, discuss meetings, all in one place. I built it to solve a common issue in online reading communities. For example, everything is scattered here. Bookverse centralizes these features into a single user friendly web app. So, first, let's talk about the core features. The first core feature is the authentication system. Users can register and log in securely using Firebase authentication. So, as you can see, we are not logged in as the first time. If the visitor comes for the first time, then they are taken to the register modal. So let's register a user. What name should we take? Let's take Luffy. Then we will be taking the email. Okay, then the password and register. So first let's log in with Luffy and then take the password. So here we are logged in. So, and if the user was registered before, then there will be an error shown, or there will be an alert shown that the user is already registered. You just need to log in. So after this, we will be going to this section. This is suggest a book. So users can suggest book they like in here. They can give the book title. So which book do you like? Mm, let's take Gita. Author, and then a description. You can give anything in description, and then the genre. Genre would be mm, non-fiction. So first, let's submit the book. So as you can see, the book suggested successfully. Okay. So this list, the book which we have suggested, will be stored in our Firebase database and which updates in real time. As you can see in here, we can see Gita by Sri Krishna and non-fiction as the genre and the description. Okay. So after that, we can vote it, and you can vote it only once. One user can vote a book only once. Okay. Then we have the discussion forum in here. So each book will have a dedicated discussion section. Okay. It includes a rich text editor powered by quill.js, which includes, and we have in here our quill. This is quill working in here, providing us a rich text editor. And then we have the comments in here. So let's have some discussion on the book which we created. So we gave a title, and let's select the book. So let's select the book. Before that, let's give a discussion title. Okay, now create a discussion. So as you can see, discussion has been created, and here we can see it. We have also the user Gmail, user mail, which has created, who has created. So let's view thread, and here we can see the discussion. Discuss Gita is the title. Now we can comment on it, like what? Let's post. So as you can see, our user has post a comment. Now moving on to reading progress tracker. Here is a tracker. It will take the book name. Let's say we have the Gita as a book, and then the total number of pages is somewhat to 630, I think. And then the pages we have read, let it be 300. So track the progress, and it shows here we have read 48% of the book. So let's go back to home, and then schedule. We can schedule meetings here. You can see we have the meeting title. Meeting title we can give, let's say, discussion on Gita. Then we can give the date. Let's take 12th of May, starting at 7:30. And the Zoom link, we can put a Zoom link there, but we don't, since we don't have Zoom link, and just to show, we can use any kind of link. Okay, let's schedule it. You can see there is a scheduled this meeting for us in here, which we have scheduled. It will be shown here. Then here it shows the upcoming meetings. Okay, you can see the meetings in here, and the meetings which have passed, the date or the time which have passed will not be shown in here. So we can join the meeting from here, and it is pretty basic. So after that, we have the dark mode. Where is it? Where is it? Here, as you can see, it is completely adaptive, and everything has been in dark mode. And here we have the vote counter. As you can see, this is our book Gita, and it has one vote. So it is fun to watch. So let's talk about the tech stack. This is as we have been suggested, this is a front end only project, and we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and Firebase for authentication, and Firestore as a database. Then I have used Quill for this text editor. You can see my text editor is also adaptive, and then we have used the media queries for CSS and etc. So that is it, and it was fun to create such a project, and I am very thankful to Masai for giving me this opportunity. So thank you for your time, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I built. Thank you.